Good morning to all of you. Today here we are having discuss about the subject biology PUC first and second NEET examination purposes. Okay, and as per syllabus. Then the here we are discussing about the scientific name of the plants and animals. You know all of you the botanical name and zoological name. You know here we are having the scientific name of the common name like this written in bracket. These underlines are also the scientific names, genus and species. You know the first written genus, these are all genus, and these are all the next written the word species, like this here genus and species, and in again under bracket you know the common name, you know the common name and the token name. For example, dog is the common name. Dog is the common name. Then the token name, another is the token name. You know, Babla like this, for example. You know, Bablu, Babla, these are the token name. You know, dog is also, it is the common name. Here we are having like this, the scientific name of, in plant, in case of plant, Mangifera indica. You know, the first word, genus, how the write, the first word is the capital, you know, read compulsory the international rules of the scientific name, how the written here write like this, the first capital letter, first word, second word, the first I is the small letter. This is the rules. Then space is important here. You give the space and then the underline these words, complete this here. Complete this. Mangifera indica. Whenever another way you write the scientific name of the mango in italic word, you know, not normal in italic word, you don't underline here. In book you show the in our syllabus book, then like this written but not underline here. You normally write the genus and species, underline is compulsory. Spelling is not mistake, you don't mistake the spelling. Then second word indica, I is the small letter. Here I is the small letter. Next one is the potato. You know the common name of the potato, the scientific name is the Solanum tuberosum. You know Solanum is the genus, tuberosum is the species. Here this underline is complete this. This underline is complete this. Okay, starting like this. Here we are having the another is the brinjal. Scientific name of the brinjal is Solanum melongena. Melongena is the species. Here another is the Triticum aestivum is the wheat. You know the scientific name of the wheat is the Triticum aestivum. You don't forget this. You remember the all names are there, scientific names. The in case of the garden pea, Watana garden pea, the scientific name of the garden pea is the Pisum sativum. You know the Pisum is the genus, sativum is the species. Another the Indian dhotra. You know the Dhatura stramonium is the scientific name of the Indian dhotra. Okay. Next one is the Indian rose. You know all of you rose. Okay. The Rosa indica is the scientific name. Like this. Then another one is the Indian apple is Malus domestica. You know Malus domestica is the scientific name of the Indian apple. These are the common. So many plants are there. You get remember some important common name, the common plants you get be remember the scientific name. Then another here, in case of the zoological way, animal study, the scientific name of the first we show our name, man. The scientific name of the man is the Homo sapien. Homo is the genus, sapien is the species. Here, genus first right, species next right. Then space is important here. The Homo sapien, in italic word, Homo sapien, common name of the man. Like this, the leopard, common name of the leopard, the scientific name of the leopard is the Panthera pardus. You don't forget the Panthera pardus, PEP, okay? Then lion, Panthera leo. You don't write like this. Homo sapien, for example, XS, shortcut, 0 marks. You know, Homo, here 0 marks. This one is the correct, okay? Then Panthera pardus is the scientific name of the leopard. Panthera leo is the scientific name of the lion. Panthera tigris is the scientific name of the tiger. Then Felis domestica. Felis domestica is the scientific name of the cat. You show here, all of you. You concentrate to me. Here, Canis lupus is the domestic dog. The common name of the Indian wild dogs is the Corn alpinus. Okay. Then common name of the housefly, Musca domestica. It is the insect. Okay. Then in female mosquito, Anopheles gambiae is the scientific name of the female mosquito. Like this, we are discussing the scientific name, how the remainder of the scientific name is there. Here, in this scientific name, spelling is not mistake. The first word, the first letter is the first word capital. Second word, the first letter is the small letter. You don't forget. Space is done. Underline is done. Okay. You don't forget. These all rules are there. Then here, in case of the hierarchy, you know, here today we are discussing about the genus and species. You know, the start from the species. After the species, the big group is the genus. Then the big group is the order. Then the big group is the class. Then the big group is the phylum. Then big group is the kingdom. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, genus, species. These are the hierarchy. In a classification taxonomical study is very, very important. You know how the systematic study is done. Here in the all world, the systematic study, how the arrangement is there. One of the big group kingdom. For example, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Plantae. You know the kingdom Plantae. So many vast plants are there. So many animals are there. Here only two groups are there. The plants kingdom and animal kingdom. These are the big groups. You know, like this, in these groups, these are all separation depending upon the external or internal features. External or internal features or characters. You know, the characters of the kingdom Plantae different, kingdom Animalia different. Like the character of the family, different types of the families are there. All are dependent upon the characters. Class are also different. Orders are also different. Genus is also different. Species is also different. You know, today we are understand the scientific name of the common name, the scientific name and the common name. You remember the all things as per the needs. Okay, thank you very much. Today our class is closed.